Abusiafo me pawucho ye ma nyina ho akwaba me san so ema wo atenase eba salvation era e bia me kan se wade adom wade yankwa ache ne etiase dia na ese aseda kese ne de ma ye nyankopon no nti ba bibia obi amesre so obeda asafo ewade nyankopon ase e mu nia ba na ya akona du ya do me ne me sister
Unita Mizamashi
e pa che ne di djumadi e mo chia me na pa che onyankopon e de hintasem bi e de di e kire na kowa ene sen Yehune say abefo eniyoma abefo ni social media no ebi mu ne say eboa na so say disadvantages bi ohonoma etwa de eboa no ama ene yankopon ama wonya emu adesuamu nhunum ama ene wo cheche ye the disadvantages of social media and ye drew the impact of social media on our children ya mana ene wo ba eye primary for eye SHS for eye JHS for ye manfenyin for won na wodu teen for no mutitiru ni mpo no impact a social media enya won so ene ne ye ba ba cheche itimisraw enko ba bia fafunya netna esanse obonifo no for so many ways and means or they twi ma efi onyame na ase abra wonhu ye o man kwapotimi yesie de wonim e wo phone ho e Facebook e Instagram Twitter ene na keka ho no wonim timese setna se na sa obasha se etu sa na monya e de negative impact beba ne so a wahwe no hu kwa befa so timese so tie be bia obi a meso so bomodi bia na share na obi a ensa into benka be ye bebo hwe ni akoye papa ho ne akoton komo twetwe ne so enko ba bia tena se nyame enhwawo Omo pa che mo akaba
Yeah no
me pa cho obi beka se na yesi ye wo technological era inti se social media bana enam so mankofo ehu mfidie mu bebredi a esese wode ne ba ewremu ti pese ye hu the impact na beba children so no ese na eyese ye mbebe ye ma no ehunu mu se ye bie Facebook account amano ye bie Instagram account amano ye bie so many social media platforms na mana ne ba no kwa na operate abra papa no anama ame no o mani eni hu bibia eyese e bie bi sade na mo
it's not good to say maybe Facebook and as WhatsApp, Twitter, what do you call it? Instagram. It's no good. CBBB at the ama woman in the sense that social media no psychologically say enquarano destroy enquarano a life and introduce you to negative nyama bebre. Nyama introduce you to it no very bad. Na dia meka kire you can say awofo anase ahwefo anase enani ejane say we should always know what our kids are doing. It's very very important. The kind of friends I will manage and the kind of game I will play because the social media is not a platform that the devil is using to destroy, breaking home, destroying our kids, destroying husbands, wives, so on and so forth. So we should be very, very, very careful. Because Obama also at their oil. And I will be the parent also when you owe Abani Baba Beke at us. What a because when we say now, also social media platform, not their platform, they say, I didn't expect any of them having. Or I didn't compensate the be a human. They won't expect them, and no more demand. And to Babet Marco, maybe I did be any idea was in Quadari. What a major.
Okay.
Now, Babeto.
A videos I go that.
No, Baba Beke. A book around the social media or social media, no jump from their money market. Maybe I'm crying, but they are very smart. What a major. So, what's a Nimipian class will read it, Nimipian class will read Makaway. And then Quadar, woman, very smart idea. What should be a new person apply. How at the city. So I advise parents that they should be very careful. They shouldn't allow their kids to. They shouldn't introduce them to social media. Okay. It's not helping them.
Okay. Number two, my friend Dodona is through these social media platforms. It be a Facebook, it be a WhatsApp, it be quite Instagram. Into me pages, a man crying. Obi ohon mabaka se me bani di sunya but on check so on she say e ya di suya nko ana so go beyond at the 20 san nipa no parents no nya anything.
What answer? The question, there's answer in the question.
What I say? maame no also waka say enye say be pages social media pages among no platforms among but enkura ne bi so di suade ana pesa me kire say maame na kwa bi ama na e de na wo say maame ne ye say de be ya ba bi ono ne say wo bi ama no mfansu ho nko a won go beyond ba bi a wo bi ama no
dia wo ba no oye so hwa because say ade na wo ba no hunu ne oye wo tell me just ye tia no say si e kwaku or share programs in me. What I mention as o share niema bebree o share unim o share through them YouTube ye bibia na call or share me make sure say bia o ye bia na me ne ye de e wo our time my money boundaries our time what the be fan phone for since man them say no na that kind of phone in that kind of phone ni ma get one or two also why and then Sunday we share videos so we are do be so we are magic at times me gin phone ma koso ahwe site a we bie niam a wa konya niam a wa ready. Do you know what I'm saying? So when timi a monitor no be mistake ni ma kra ni hu se wo ba wo papa wo maame won ni boundaries baby also doing baby and kwani so do. And the secret behind all this, they said the case, the parents, the case are hiding their keyboards. Hiding keyboards. If I say they are hiding their keyboards, we meet me via or a phone so about winning. It can be someone no a phone, no phone, so another. What I mention, I say a bit more by say AB or say or co washroom. That's what these days on more. Or going to a washroom by no social media platform, no enemy. I was so monitor running around. The advantages are there, but the disadvantages is higher than advantages.
Okay. And patrol and Kwano, Obi Honoma said, Okano, who full control, but Omudu baby to say SHS and we drew 17, 18. Or no one is so just was smarter than woo or phone. Cause ABS can say, okay,
it depends. Relations were one out and be what to tell.
But it's why they come out, but if you want to go school, pick different life, I would name Sebia Obama. So that they didn't do what to say Obama. But your matter was then
come say your child should be your best friend. Train your child in a way obey your best for meeting with him. But what Jan said, oh, you busy, we busy, me home, you busy, you console, my worry, Sebi, or more, I didn't corata cover. Or warrior. Stepdads and stepmoms or warrior. Now, probably the no, you're not doing it so. Boys, not now come up bear man. One not now come up or ban or jack granny. No, my granny feels it. He or she has a father and a mother. What a million. But one, yes, no jack and cry baby don't be drew beyond. They try as much as possible, say, Umbenya attention. If you did not pay attention to them, no pay attention to them, they will just go there. To me, and what I advise on the bank of say, they should let your kids be their best friend. Your kid should be your best friend. Your kid should be your best friend. Your child should be your best friend. Talk to him, talk to her. Make sure say the niece will be your niece. And Mark would press or party and Sana, I bet one with your man. Mark, when you would say, the young guys I said, could I? The discussion will train you almost says, could digger. It's not helping. And what crazy, and one quarter. Our clothes can't tell was sent him. Our clothes can't tell Nabra was sent him. The parents, you are there to take care of the child. Time was our ground to take a child, taking care of you will come. To me, I don't advise a go on the crowd and upon his camera, crocodile and it. And upon his calculation, could tell you, no, train a crown. You know, let me tell you one thing about my case. Almost school, my mom is going to go school. No, I'm going to say this kind of a fee. 1, 2, 3, 4. O could school with this kind of a fee. Oba Pakra do be scan be oh Hanos Ariaba. What tell me chona say. But tell some chom say e bia no hia bibi. E bia no hia. Enu kwa so discussion kwara. Asa man ye kronfo.
Pebi no nya.
No nya obewia. What tell me chona say. The so hia no e kire niema bebre. That last I was reading something about lesbian is it gay it was a gay
homosexualism.
Not gay for Edomo Ayababa Beto almost site. Say you can join them.
Really?
I'm telling you. If you want to get money, go to this site, register, do. And they also have some platforms, demonic platforms. If you want to have money, if you want to join our group, do it. Until one you're careful, across life, best.
I'm patrol. See, you know. On say, I phone be say, oh, you're literate, you know how to control Bano using this phone. Call up fast so dear what the phone here. But I will phone be also on my own
literate. But she was very strict on us.
Womusao, obe control you, but as to how I'll be see who phone, because search engine, what can they acquire here, the old ye say, no, quite by now, no, be fast or be who's sadian. Because obe monitor all right, but the acquire here. Look, I mean him so cold being poor.
Fine, and to one year later among guy.
Me kind.
Two person train over. No one year academy trainer. Oh, boy, academy train. Yes, and yet, or you cream crabber, literacy grammar crank because of say more. On our prayer, you can cross again or the computer.
The ambassador Cheney said,
Matilda would say nothing. But I did be also by ya. We never walk from another way.
Almost sound, now could that walk for on count.
Okay,
say be idea some more call them. That time phone, I can't come almost say, and you may call no money network.
My main show, I did. Oba phone.
Okay.
One day to your phone.
Ne botaya o de catch us say the suya de ye de nneoma bebre o so hunu nneoma bi o de research
and maybe ka say me kire wo say e wo maame na sede obi ni mu na me kire e wo sede say book kura to ma ye mai wo bet to book ma no nsua ye wo wa sede so obi sua you don't know how to read but wo bani to me read e dey ntena ma oba to me read ye maame ka to ma ne bebi antene fieda obi make sure the men never go university so those who are ready to go to university they were able to go. One more man, your man saw me call. Oh, man, what you could do, I come and talk around, met on the above. Academy, I met on the above for school. That was what my mom told me. That's what I'm saying. Momo
pension, not social media and theatre, say, and air pension you.
And I am telling you, say, the many who can say, made the Kokuya Faton say, what limit?
Because all your literate internet me controlling is out.
Or be illiterate. What I mention, but train or your money ban. You see, train your child. We don't call Bible. Train your child now. Banner who training. Or maybe Jenny. No, who was playing what do you call it? Game. Not anyway match. Bassa match. Or but me go. Then I have phone show. What's in the yard? You friends. Your father. I keep on telling you, don't lie to me. Because I was playing soccer, which wasn't sin. But when I asked your question, my coach said, don't do what? Don't lie. And he lied. But later, I'm very sorry. What's the major? Many but I was watching my son what he's doing. What did the major say? Who was watching my own school that? When you are crying for me, there was a typical example. Okay. But Sakoda phone. No, so this year now, corner phone a crown. Who have video and you need to video.
Video over here.
Maybe I will do a video. What's your China's a phone a crown or a year bob phone as well? You wouldn't say born or born to kind of this channel. What I make us say? But train will ban certain in life. I want one in some. I did be our ya and one beyond my 1 year. It's a matter of communication. It's a matter of communication. Communicate with your child. More women in life is very important. I didn't know my mission in class one school that. But I also go school at Bebono. Ne baba ba ko pejo wani kusko teacher ko bono that's all na do the share na dwen but when you no be hu say o papa amoa no what the major me ma meet me be school wo bo be say teacher say ameba na this share to send e din ye makwa wo do report aba no o je no de ma obi a wa ko school no ahwem so o ya ade ana wa anya ade what the major say
by trying
and you person wo ba no oboa na akwa be so be bo na bebre anya ne nkasa so akwa no be hu say be mi enya I'm telling you, 1 year. Communication was important thing. Communication. Talk to her. Talk to him. Momo two I told him say I have my right to do whatever I want to do. But me no kasa say what you are doing, you will think that is good. But it's not good. Communication no cause one na there never change.
No correct.
And you know, when that does not mean say unti no ba enkasa and I want to mean train no ba. And what that say I will say about 90% of parents.
Sir.
I'm telling you. Ubim ko school da ban baba ko kran say. obi so ko school pa ko wiase be nya ne maso ase. It's a matter of communication. Talk to your child. What the na wo ja akra so no ado pe na wonya obu ane ba kura pie woni bi ane ba ne ko woni ne ba damfo baby ane ba ko school woni teacher ni number woni teacher ni no any communication PT fra wo ko do you think so ba no we be on the course you know
because me kai say ya pen so wo school no na nkofo ebre wo su ene ban mienu o ma me nim da sembo e ba na se ko empanyifo ni e fo ma me nim da sa ne ba ne timi ye sa su ne ban wi ti nkwa no bo no ma obe ko
ma me na wo kan o ma me ma me na wo kan onim ne ba no
onim no asema na kan won check no regular check on ne so ni nkomo na pa cho
because me ne ma me na namfo bi ba me nchen a obepa mo ama pokua bepa Then I'm kind of me boy be brave. Anytime my angu baby no. Me na for me no sis we brave wo me no ye do me wo mo na money be kasi. Me made be brave by 9, 10. Na no ye ko yi. Madam for the wa say 10. But when you made to.
You say be call how money.
E do me ko 2 ha na me ni. 2 ha na me minimum wo money. What let me tell you. But look at this. Me ma mo ba unche mo di be do ba.
This will be.
O na for kro no ba wo ti wo obeba wo fia be won ne. Da ma me do me ba na school. Ye ma kwa ne ba na boy ba ko ma me oba paye poultry farm. No ko fa ko ba. You see the word ko fa ko ma go fo. O ko wi an ko mi. O fa ku secret. And ma me ba ye no ti mo different. Wo fa de ni na tugu. Me na for no mo pe ne fie ba. Ba me so me ko mo nche bo o ko na madam or girl no ma me aye fufu ni a de mini mebre tell so ya o wo fufu na girl ma me no twebia ma girl no any boy ni na ni akoni akodi a normal life I basa but that time say ma me pema say me pema say the girl bi chia na Gladys girl na wonu ne ho o chia no ji su yi owura dem na ko fa aba na e be che curtains mo aba be che curtains mo be jabo di jam me ni girl
papa so mo nkwa ne akase wabu obi ba
o say ade o dem make o be se me wakọ no ba be bo mi bia no me wo so a o me ye mo bia community school dey hwe mi school no o be hwe akora no te 2 things me pa mi chuchu ba ko o tere me chana and me so me window we ya make us ma me ogbo wura ha de ba nya papa
it's over for window
o tere me chana yes
papa mbajo mbisa say
yes still what you know sister na papa so dey na so dey o se me nya so still yes so be ye
no ma so nya dey let me tell you something
na wonye nsie nso
dey me say no ma so nya dey because me ye comparison me na from no mu see so a ye hie bia se tra mo hu bia dey to adam funi me ma me ja ansa no ba mo ko so ko sua ansa no me ko sua sigre ko sua wi ba ma me ja ye on twema no one chima okra mama one chima okra my sister kofa guy boyfriend bi my sister penny I quite remember said that time mother kokwan so they can be via or Mr. Fire do koya mamu papa na boyfriend yin sinanim
can be
okwan no man no am na my sister to of famono sutura wo boy na man wo ye hino you know cancer sutura wo boy akwa ne famono na de na de baye
papa na say so be ku se bi o
oh yeah me no me dey bia me ka say Bible ka say twenya abofra yon hwa do Bible yon ko ba na nche any idea what say yehu about mofra Proverbs chapter 22 verse number 6 yon hwa dey about mofra training Proverbs 22 verse number 6
but Proverbs 22 verse number 6 or say train up a child in the way he should go and when he is old, he will not depart from it.
Train a child the way he or she should go. So when
he is old,
he
will not depart from it.
He will not depart from it. Train is there.
What's it? Abofra no ekwan ya wonfa so.
Chira oba no abofra no do awo no. I'm not boasting. I'm not saying I'm so perfect.
Yeah.
But me mama boa me kwa dey am dey food. Mama boa me kwa bebree even now. What's that mention say? Mani wo so no oba kra to odi nkomo. You know my mom obe warning. Me mama ye niam bi wo ka say bi wo gu animu ase bet oboa
training.
It's a form of training. Eti chira bo fa no kwan. Eti social media matofon dia ma which school near say matofon. Matofon dia ma let me chip in something. When I was in secondary school me mother ba ho. What you know friend Van Dam. Oba ya no so hwe Fred and a Hughes. And about Van Damme. No, I just said, why? I don't buy a woman. I feel like Madame. People do Madame. Tommy Cocker, go. And some boy who school for back who said, Mene, Van Damme. And you know from Madame. Don't condone an Michiano. So let me tell you, free the man. Don't make Van Damme, so I was in school. A car, and then they be whom I'm from Van Damme. And I'm saying, you know, Michiani, I didn't. And then I say, I'm because we are Madame, or I'm saying, Madame. So no crown, Madame for Casa, not young.
A friend is that.
Men from the Banessa. Or do nurses and I say huge. What a major. Anything you should have a friend of Queen one fashion. She's all banner, do we are wow. What a major. Mumu to me, my dear, wee. And now, you're quite young, yet one of units name, I'm quite Lucas. Me say me from moments and then someone make can be great. Last time my mom also was. She was saying the same thing. We send your work almost 10 years, 7 years, and 7 minutes to one and you after most, and someone not by my cousin are fainer when you. That's always was a friend of win Simbi, one year ring it. By neighbor, I was a maybe mistake. What a minute. Yes, I had the Ewo. Hebrews chapter 12, verse number 7. Hebrews 12. And the social media is not going to help. Disadvantages, but disadvantages are more. So we should try as much as possible. Say, Yebema, California, Adamo. Now you monitor your man because a same money be brave, and a money share free. Maybe so, almost share free parents, engine. What's it then?
Pastor Hebrews chapter 12, verse number 7. If you endure chastity, God's deal with you as with son. For what son is there whom a father does not chasten?
I try say, some who are switching mu amani. Now what's name one? When you could point you say Emma.
Some who are switching
amani. Now what's name
one? On the top that you come on him. Let me come on him. May I ever want that you cry to the nipple, Mr. Mechanic from Kozu. Nipple one was a mechanic. But we are switching anymore. They're not what's name one.
Yanko point you say Emma. Yanko
point draw closer.
Now, Baba no ha ne janchina so.
Oh, Baba, I know what was in the janchina. There's a one papa. That's why you need a father to discipline. That's why you need a father to train you. That's why you need a father to talk to you. That be at her age, Eunice, Upia Papa to me throw away. And that's what Tata. And I may freedom. Freedom is maybe there's only one freedom in the cemetery. And never think your father is disturbing you. What's the nature? It's a form of training. Ultimately, I don't, me boosty me from me money boosty. Who goes back on a damn from Jeddah? Also back on a damn from Jeddah. Go on a damn for Panoba. Or Bana Panuku. And yes, me person be called you. But I have something. Maybe introduce me to now for the arm one. And today I'm because you have only one sister and a sister, you have only one brother. That's good. Or Munana for Peninsula element. It's a time to no mood in one of the me bolu, them no baby I want to see. The only way I mean no bobo. You didn't come up a toda. The only way I'm so many bet with the agent and it's adding. That time to about some doing for no money idea. Agent. The whole thing last time. Or baby son I said, they didn't think Kawa.
Okay.
A Sunday school, I will be a issue that word. We said that some word no. A F word. What does it mean? No, I say Sunday school. Parasol and a kind. No, those are men can be in it. That's what I told him. It was F word, very bad idea. But what they make out of and you could in Casa. I'm not saying they are angels or they are perfect, but I train them. And who can Bible now was says, so what to me, a man who can need training, one not in my corner, one and what Jatiama, who go closer. And a closer answer, so woman, then you come closer to your parents. Danwada, Konawoko, Fanuafa. Yesterday you were advising your sister, son, I will show you one more pie. And also 1 year devotion. Who taught you that?
I'm not sure.
Minam Chile. What's all pick also do Chile, Wabushi. And I was proud. So we wouldn't know a Casasso. Say, wouldn't say the oye and yet. So train a child and the boy no so the call then the boy so the man no so the call then you are building a better home.
Okay.
Papa ntina mi bisa say ye tu ye fo ayentie na ntina ema yawofo etwe ye ho omo entimi monitor ye ana omo ntimi control your steps en farmer.
One thing about life is say udo obi na wo kan sem kire no want to know on fa. Me for instance that's me two foot na on fa na draw back.
Papa na mbisa say is it happen enye say na oma akra na say na say
so be say
Papa ebia wachuzo also wachuzo obese ebia na osidebia aka say ne friends a ode won ho abomo etimi superman no idea ebema no ebia omo ni ne ka bibi because akra no nya freedom e wo fie nti wonya sa no ni susu sa niema no a
ma me nchira wade the American no e wo limit.
Okay
Mumu age we no me two for na won fa meja be nkoda na de I won't do that me ko so ko to be say.
Okay.
Damu mirafo ide. Me kaka na wonye meja.
Asempe no you.
Ona samu ya mirafo me na.
Sam.
Samu nyi mo so ma djebo. Timi no. O to te zemi timi nka say. Obe ma so tompa bo amako go mpebe. Me na mpaboa no emu awa mento. O to atana go gui, me hwe na emu amento. Ba o to no bet makata me to ade me use ni because wo be wo pen away. Wo the kwagu nka so wo ma na dia na edi. But o choice no problem ubidi. Yes, no wo hwe aye wo fe no. Ope. Say no you na wo ka zenze. Me pese me ade wi. Pese me ade wi. Me ade wi me fe pese me isi. Wo na wo ka. Kwagu bet maka wi a kire. Osuru. Was no level a obedi ma make decisions for himself. Me boano. But what do level be a wonim say? And then my couple matadi wi ma say ya. Who was one people?
Papa,
no, they can't want to know any then my boy.
Okay. But I know me say bisa say is that advice I will say because I will for better I can say or tough on Eddie money back. Because me shema me who is a parent is make us 99% or more day phone same crown.
Very good question. It depends. Almost said the same crown ma kwen. I bought a phone for Baba. Because was no money and so my crying.
COVID never.
Because omo time biano omo teachers no 80 million. Ebo omo nyina me krom. They can use my phone. And I name all my phones so no. I do a lot of research. I do this, I do this. It's nothing bad, but never be real. And you know what I did was I bought a phone for them. And after buying the phone, me making sure say I'll monitor them. Time no so no because no music. Now times they can go to the phone, they play games, and which is not wrong. But I know the type of gamer but who play. They be releasing attention. They use games a buano. I'm very smart. Creativity. Obey creative. Omo onima be bria oshia. And na uko YouTube onima be promotion a bit me ide. Oba will tell you that I want this hairstyle. I want you to show this account for me. I want you to, and I'll make sure say what do you call it? Even cartoons need more credit demonic. Them one channel is no good. And I told them, don't watch this cartoon. Don't do this. Don't do this. What they mention I say. And you know, yeah. But also monitor. I want near what they are there.
Papa na ni penny na ne benya adaje akase.
Adaje maba.
Papa na K A bisa.
Akrana would not be asem. Or respect now we shilling. So be boa brabo papa. But the mama yem fatu. Ya adaje maba.
Papa, yeah, Papa. Oh, phobia honoma. One akrana da chinti or so pee. Okope adwuma woni be mani no so mkwakọ haso no mu pesika fa akwane da chinti mi ka say okono ye de laptop ne phone se gunu ho fesu ya de we bosse ya fato wo waka ankyere no but okọ sa akwane de beto so mfanto ho ho de
na me nkyere de ba life unya bi dia 100% abrabo unya bi dia 100% but try as much as possible me say monitor your child. That's the only thing I can tell you.
You want family.
You want family. Where you be buani bia. I was saying me come when you busy chain.
24 hours so.
But say na who family me ma.
I get straight to almost.
Then na who say who family no.
Who you want family?
Me you want family me on say me. So monitor them. Who that tell the pia, o me daddy be time be. What if I say them about Daddy, where are you? They will call, they will do this, they will do this. More presence in your so who you busy said they are busy no yet about then. And crown the barber show and 20 minutes time keep me from my home. When you tell me money, what could Buffy? What if you know what I'm trying to do? He said, call your child, make sure I get the phone walk or so. While you be say
how?
A ready for man. Oh, me mammy get the name. Who's in a social media? But me tell social media or one with Yanka, my brother, your papa.
The CC, what we ye, benny day.
Me betty. My brother, your papa, come, mammy would never allow me. I walk. Kaka me share a woman. I dear Barco. One, train no ban. Train your Mr. A man. Now tell my Sunday, one for a bank castle. I'm sorry, woman, pay over down pay a man. Won't check your man and number for Obana Pito Pibian over fee. One for the normal, if you want one tian, one could be your coy, uncle is a crab or calling check. One will catch a man and say, Band and manage you fear Hanoda. Who do Obana you do that?
Papa also will cano all day. Oh, mammy and Faton say, oh, mammy, she was straight on you. Oh, no, dear, papa, yeah. I'm one no no ma won because when you and one who challenges baby e wo de papa mananko school or papa anye ni so because we ye oba nkwada ememe mu no nti enjeje so no wo bi nyoma bi wo papa mananfem ba won de otena se realizing nyoma wo hu say ade o papa ye no amwa no nti o ma na ma so enko the same issue ni bi papa no de what say ase no wadwe no hu say so ma wo komu bia emwa te say de amwa ni nti Papa, what about others now? Only experience. Any bibia.
But can I say something? Oh, my, no, that idea any friend.
Papa, and I make us say.
Nam so be something.
And I patrol onya.
Obi 24. Yes, you 2 go 4.
Papa.
One go school do be 2 or 5. Me 2 go 4. Advice am dey ma wunya ya.
In any part do say ne 2 mo 4 mo 5.
Ayo, the cheapest thing in life is advice. And what is positive so advice. I put you there. Must spend my time, must spend a lot of money. I gather all these cameras, all this network. Let me the mouth free now someone found. What again? Yeah, then I mean of him. The year can say you ever be preaching. Your poor best art tenacity. Let me two for now someone found. You Diana
Papa.
Diana ultimately. And I put you there.
It's a choice.
God bless you. That's the right thing. It's a choice. Minti me power na minti me na ntu fie me check ye na o meye.
Ba papa so obi o ha o straighten na eboa.
Yes. No more dey make catch us a life the straighten papa. Man limit.
Say na ye pensu no. Wo ye wa adu so wo sha akura ketekia na wo frifie.
E gen train na dey man.
Ohun ana say no
I would you would train at the man.
E wo muso papa say no e wo fie mienu o. E wo ba fie o maame no papa no wo efie o ne nam fofo.
Na dey wa ha na dey wa ha. We say who is a downfall? Who the time for kwada na wo ba na fa the side.
Papa that is the problem checking no.
And when checking.
And when a parent need being checking.
Wo ba nya time, wo ba nya time. Go to the school. Beside them time when they are in class of temperament. Hwede oba ne ye oba no school no ko ho eni ni teacher nkasa akwa ne ba bisa no musua adan enkoni ni nkomo hwe oba no lifestyle oba ba won say no hye ase ni nkomodie mu wo ye hwe loish no ma ne ye we kwase wane loish ato loish ma nya de wo tiatia wo no ma wo ba wo monitor loish age university opon ano ma akofa no e kwase akofa loish do you know the reason why? Do you know the reason why? No, who are the reason there?
Oh, Bonnie Banner home mine.
University was one year my poma. What but no, sir, about 7 or lectures make of Faribu was 20.7. Like then grab a cabin 9, 9:30. No one in the banner. Also, so maybe I make say that time no one ya adaji waka na to so. And I also ban kwamra. Vacation. Me baby a life vacation na bazem kwa vacation that is the worst year one
only has me say almost say no person moko
me
teacher man also won pay o person classes
me ko vacation and meet friends vacation na me share ansanam vacation na me share we no vacation na me share cigarette vacation what I mean by the same vacation you will be wo mu a what I mean say na osua de wo ye ti o sa bi ma me futu man be selective and the advice there is nothing than advice monitor my friend who limit
I mean trying papa so now what me friend sister
yes who
you thought I did a sister
last time on me see Lois laptop so this is also share the movies who on me see laptop me creating movies then every so you have a limit to my boka over pair boka here if you do go school share there I me say yeah there more Spanish for idea and they say telenovela and what you pieces na wo here sama Korea man Korea anka yebe wo so here
dabi
ba me ko the machine so be second god oni me wo so nti no de bia woda na ta na be
papa so ka say
wona mo na kura no ko ma kwan ba me ko mu no me gire ti sa na man because it is sua de ntini monitor wo ba no
wo na wonim na watimi ayo de wonim nso ekwas papa de nti America no minimo bia
say wonim me ka kirew
mate wase
me ka kirew wonim me ka kirew enti say tie fo mo tie me no tie de America ne pe obi a wonim mo
omo pacho mate wase o minimo bia ne phone wonim sa wo ne na kasa tu ne fo wa fam de bia no hu ni say de obi aka kina na say de wate ho ase wo so so hu mo bi ono ne phone o de ko search enuama bia say so ono de search me je ne phone na ono hu say makohonom no fast me pie ya no find no delete me sa ko ne ni ho bio so akwa ne try so be smart what about obi a ono ne wie de ono hu ni say enuama bia enye say so obi hu wi o delete ni nyina wo be ko
I'm sure they woni akwara ati no yo ba with a major man your best friend me hu ade bia ba ema akwa kofa phone wa search asema okay wa ka kire da what's akwa say how to enjoy sex.
Wow.
Was search wo hu. De na ba na dwene. Ba obi say wo say, "Why na that time when na down for?" Ba wo ni me din ko na obi seek counsel no me nche. You woni pa when na down for that time. You woni pa anana ntesa.
Sabe pepe.
And who was the cause?
You.
Who was the cause?
Na your cause.
You are the cause.
Oh, kwa befe.
Who woni pa wo de no ho abɔ no a wo mwa. Ba ni pa tuti man ko ne nche.
Eya asem.
Enya asem. Wo ni nipa no. Mimi ni bo oba ya mi bisam no didi nkomo. Two council didi nkomo ne. Nipa na no ne no ye atimu apone ne kasa no. Ena he oba esi so bebi a wo se le ji obebebe bia no. You are very careful. Omo ni se mema. Bebi wo se le ji obebebe bia na very careful. Wo bo so wonko na ho na onya ne privacy eye ne niema bi. O nche ne ontimi nya saa niema no.
Okay.
Enti mo wadwene nko na hu nipa se nipa no suban te sei. What in the pay our girl, our boy, and for my home, you pay what to me, and I will not offer down for. And to know, and come up with any didi, anyone in the year. Also, I have research. I did justify research. School at them. I've got their trust school at the choir. I say research. What the Babu J. out here? May or be a did phone that silent behind. Yeah, I'm very careful about it.
Berlin what to cry.
Yes, obi an phone that silent be a dey be suspect man. Meaning said there's something on person wo be there. What am I say? And to always know yeah ye monitor wo. Who nya ne pepepe by monitor them. Even when it comes to marriage krana the same thing. Ukunu wo yere monitor them. Monitor them. You should monitor them. What the major say? Also to monitor the panel what is going on. Who are dear potia? Some people nipa no eden. Oh yeah. So when we say na man dey bia there will be a problem. Make us for telephone and answer for you the same. But hwe dey wo ye. Yeah, member so obi ni ne yirada. Wo tell me omo da wo oba no o chat. Was on a chat. Obi ni kunada. And you can so wo chat. E dey na oil.
Yes no. Uma
yes or person do assassin.
Pepe.
No maka answer bi nya 10,000 and na e wo wani. Enti wo pre 10,000 na wo pre ho na ayede. E bi tiri show mani. Ke wo tiri me chance. Obi aka nsem bi, obi adidi nkumu ja de na ba do bua na dwene. Ba wo no so wo sai ke no. na you free na dwene yes how be yen kwase
okay
amen
say me hu say uye literature ma aba na nya wadanfo ba obema o kane ben wo e ba sa de tie bia no beka a kire wo ne wonim bia no bebisa wo on fere ehu bia so ni mu obu a wo fo bi party atia dodo nti opamo ne ba ne free ni nti
me obi no on party atia cha
papa de no on say we are osa kanipa no but ono no
nti ne ye kire
aso hu ni say hu na no ne beboa
de biti e do bi so de fear to so I was so bent to Musa, dear papa, and who said I, my party, I say, or so many who said, also won a limit. Or so Tiam, or so Bruno, or so many who say, Yati and Tina. I know Nippon children can, that is the end of your life. Because you should can be brain, you should tell Tianipa be brain. And you have a song, a discipline. I'm going to share maybe free parents in engine. And Christian may be great. Papa ne boni you should free parents. So we should be very careful. Social media no be a breaky homes. And the one thing I'm saying here when is wrong. Our children they are innocent about divorce. They are not the cause of divorce. Okay. What the meaning? She said divorce by a man crying a victim. Okay. You must have the initiative. Obi he or she is not taking care of Nema because of divorce. Because of divorce, Nema, which I mentioned, it's very dangerous. Because of divorce, our way into a Ponema, a mistake. I'm not attention, I'm not Beman, I'm not attention, I'm more bad, not the banner, a mistake. My advice is more worry about that mistake. Nyame mama nko worry enya isa mo de mo me ko ro baby. Nyame mane mpare mo. Ba mo worry susufo adwene na wo ma susufo adwene ma be ma na so wo ba. Because the kids are our future. Papa,
so say children are not the cause of
divorce.
Papa didn't hear.
Now that I'm divorce the
but sometimes be suit me the cause of
no. I now e be say I cry the cause of divorce. My example.
Say the say only umay ewo hoi. Na nyame adom wasa akọ hye oba foforo. Na wa ware no. The way we see in create bi oba na beba no. On to me me on to me
can to be trade as. Say the make a draw. Uma they are out. Uma cannot cause divorce. And Oma is not the cause of divorce. And first I question will be say, Meba is the cause of my divorce. And I say, divorce aba, I'm crying a victim. For what? Mami nche wademi. If you love me, you love my dogs.
Papa ni pe nyana be love dogs.
If you don't love my dogs, why should I love you? Why should I give myself to you?
Papa this one and crown so they don't
mamunya problem. Mamunya problem pa me use me mama bra boy basa. Wa wo ba okopi obi an okopi be ma no don ba won no wo ba. Wo ba wo kwasa wo yesa na wo a big mistake. America we ko baby. Woman no me kwa minim se ne ba panyin ne be ma ne ba. Be je di nkoma me se wo na ne ma me ense na o ma ba. Panyin no wo no aso tete me kwa kitchen akra no ko bia me duru a ho no wo bi de ne nyima hye no akata na me ye na me se ti ye bom pa kra ne ye hwe ni hu no wo hye de ba no wo mu na ready ti a kire no ana me say na oba we aso twetwe no ho won say we wo so won sa no tio ba me ba ye no nkomodi diem ana na kuma e ka kire me say duma ni kun di sa ne ba na me say de enya ne ba na no so da bi on de enya ne ba wo de ne be ware no enti ye to no kwa ni ntimi nya den emma ana woman no so adro ni kuna na ne ba no o say unje na no am tie say akwa no I intend to gay
de aye die
papa say enu so be ma no so betimi agina so e de agya oba no because of akra no and oba no betimi agina so because of more treatment na be ma no e de ma akra no
me see the child is not the cause of the divorce na me can above na me can no tell say
Papa Matias you.
Woman, I would have run a quawari. No one ran quawari, papa. We didn't quawari a beman about dog war banner sing. A banner bet over so enjoy marriage. Huh? Per beman or bed dog or ba. A class I'm telling you. Or ba beman so or bow bed dog man. I sing or where in beginner.
Your machine, I bet me, detect a hunter bearman, because you can be holding an obeca, as who could remove your homework. They be a bomb, I remember the sweet of descending. Whom never had him. Yeah, I'm afraid when money near too much. Tell my baby, I'm money may be too. When someone is pretending, you know. Okay.
I'm telling you, when somebody pretend you know. To me, I mention your man, you pay it. You tell him, say,
okay.
My wife, and I'm a boy, and I'm a mobile. Miss Mohamed, I am. By your come, a woman of Philip pretend. A fake.
Oh, kind best.
They should tell you. Maybe, and you tell me. And you tell me. What about you? And you tell me. I didn't know more a fake. Oh, the major said, yeah, me tell my meter, which one of Miss Uncle Cramson given by. Mupa, that creates a minute now.
Last week, yeah,
and me the men, the master. And the minimum somewhere is someone you friend, I don't know. And they don't look at this. I'm not joking. Social media, near one. And what was a mobile? I was a man and bang over him. Papa, a trust, a trust. And the social media people are faking.
I'm telling you.
I'm joking.
More than anything.
They are faking. But what's that? Faking,
artificial foundation. Artificial foundation.
People are faking. They be people are faking. You see the person say, ABS. But Abiana and yes, and
no social media queen.
And near Oban Club with social media. When we say Yaka, it was fake.
Also called challenge.
What challenge? It is Sam will say the Kenyans any very good about social media. What the business? They make a want to know. You tell the in South African way, yet, and I'm a fine. In fact, we crown a cake one day. What's the major? Also, if we study, no, Jacobo, no cry, body and Makoji. People are faking.
It's true. It's true.
It can be sent to Kujunian and Namnetia. And Yemen Pan win, my faking, the Diakata Yemen, and no better. And when you see someone on social media coming on cancer, the door may pen no one, we have a problem. We didn't come with
Papa. Any mistake as I say, you know. Hallelujah.
And you're very careful. You're very, very careful. Now you should be ready. Amen.
Amen.
You know, I dear American say, Obama woman, quite not one monitor for fake friends. You heard debut about Psalm 55, verse number 12. You think I got Psalm 41, verse 9. Now, you'll feel me. Your money, you know, you know, see a moment, your man could phone say, more limit, or social media life. Maybe they're not so much about it.
Okay. But Psalm 41, verse 9. Even my own familiar friend, in whom I trusted, who ate my bread, has lifted up his heels against me.
I trust Madame for Pampa, Madame Hot on his soul. Odi Mediani be impono. My man in 19 so etiame. Madame
for pa, fake friend. In social media, be introduced to fake friends. Social media. Uma Obano crime, Uma Wanka introduced to fake. And because they are fake, you know, on best solution they are there. To Madame from pa, may Odi Mediano, or sound sorry, they are for the end.
I might be true.
Then you can social friends. Me, Babuka, the Emma. Me, Baquema. This is the reason why I said, I don't accept people just like that. Me make it sure. Because there are fake people, fake friends are doing more social media. And we go you post that they down, you on the head. And that Obi to me who could be when you could be accounts. What is this account?
Obit me hack your account.
Obit me hack your account. Maybe no money for me. What a major. It means letting for say, you're very careful. Social media no is there, but disadvantages no is you're very careful. Your social media also would be in some call. This social media also can be compared. For example, we will see many from social media will be our friend also or maybe and so. Or payment, and I'm we should be very careful. Yes, I'm sure it was Psalm 55 verse number 12.
Psalm 55 verse number 12 to 14. For it is not an enemy who reproach me, then I could bear it, nor it is one who hates me, who has exalted himself against me. Then I could hide from him. 13. But it was you, a man my equal, my companion and my acquaintance. 14. We took sweet counsel together and walked together to the house of God in the throne.
I just say, na enye otanfo na ode obome ehuhura. Eno de anka metie. Enye de wo kire mi na wo kire ne ho wo meso. Anka me de me ho be hinta no. 13. Na wo daseni a me de me ho bo wo so. Me yonko ne mani. Wo a wo ni mi di atirimusem dede. Na ye nam yo ko onyankopon efie.
Mama nche wode. Obi a ne kwa asore. Woni ti asore dem. Wo bwano. Woni ne ko.
Ni ka osu sem.
Na ojo bi tima ka se me shira ko wiwo. Obi ko betima ba unisi nche. Na wo ti ni unisi di nkomo. Unisi nche oba ne nche. Ba na wa ye ko. No recording. Until me just. No wo record it sama unisi kan. Obi tima ba won nche. Won so adan for pan aba, won adan for di nkomo. Me ka me sun se wa kire. No be pe ko se no de ko. So be careful about fake friends. Fake friends. Wednesday, make us some more about the fake friends in social media. Okay. Make us some more about it. I will talk more about that. But we are not the people who are going to expose what you call the fake friends. In their own time, in due time, they will expose themselves. So I will give them a time. I don't force myself to expose fake friends. And they will expose themselves. So don't rush, fight them and then say you are going to expose them. In due time, they will expose themselves. So if somebody is a fake friend in your life, don't talk much about that person. Just pray for that person. Pray for God to change them. If they say they will not going to change, in due time, they will expose themselves.
Yes,
I'm telling you. Send me an idea. Because and now for bonnie say brapa. And now for bonnie say aware. And now for bonnie say adwuma. And now for bonnie say the tribupo. Tia ye me ni na ho. Me me ma so nkofa and now for bonnie. Madam for pa and mine. What the mention is it? The message for say social media na e down. E ye ni ma be through social media, obi di nse agulebo. Through social media, obi aboka. Through social media, through social media, obi no biase. But through the same social media, be. But through your social media, I say one more.
It's not my way.
Yes, no, Illuminati. Demonic and courtism, women social media. Lies by Mr. Safari. Say
Amen. Papa Onyankopon show every aduma Wednesday ye beshi ana ya cheche. Ada from pacha ya dama sese ebrane so ye wusi
Wednesday make us have fake friends on social media. Fake friends, how to identify them.
Nyame adwa yesre wade se mama yankwana nkwada na ebetimi asim konyame so bebre video no wonsa ka share no bia ensa entumi nka bi esanse opone phone nam so many ways on nam akwa hodo bebre so e de story tell ma enam social media yin so wo hu won ani so ade hunu nti wa sha se e se won but nyame nti nyama kwan ma nisi yin ti Onyankopon nam na kwa so e chire de na wa adwen ma so de na wunim de na hu a wo so wo ya wunya nyeye no wa adwene aba ho so no wani so aba ho so no watimi aye nyame adwa ukwada e be share wunya ba na ya kunedi adam. My name is Sister.
Yini Samiza Mashi.
Achana kama nyina.